Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. I figured I would do this soap really quick while I'm waiting for piping to set up. This is a soap inspired by the Queensrych song Silent Lucidity. This design is completely my daughter's. This is her favorite band of all time and one of her favorite songs. So I'm going to add my lye water. I already have my heavy cream and my yogurt mixed in there. And like I said, this is a really simple soap. So it won't take me but a hop, skip, and a jump to do it. And I'm also, because ordinarily I put the just the audio in the description box below. I'm actually going to put the video in the description box below so you can see what inspired my daughter. It was the video for this song. So here we go. Okay, the fragrance for this was also my daughter's idea, but it is a custom blend by myself. It is a custom blend of chamomile, rosemary, mint, and lavender. So, I know it sounds a little strange, but they smell extremely awesome together. Okay, so we're going to pour this off even into 2 different buckets, and then I'm going to stick blend my color in. So, let's see how even we can get these guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. But as close as possible would be good. And I'm going to scrape the rest of it off into here. And I'll fast forward until after I'm done scraping. Okay. Oh, let me turn my fan off. Or at least down to low so I can stand in front of it. We are putting lapis blue in 1. Pigmented as possible. And in the other, we are putting plumberry pink. And in both, she wanted in both, we are putting, I may have to add some more lapis, I'm not sure. We are putting some super sparkle in both. And let me stick blend these colors. And we'll get to putting the fragrance in. There we go. Just get this off in here. I shouldn't need my hanger. I should not. Although I did get quite a few bubbles in there, Judy. What are you doing? Let me get some of these bubbles to come up to the surface. Okay. I love the way the glitter makes it sparkle. It's like stars in the sky. Okay, so here's our fragrance. Half in here and a half in here. Well, almost half in there. Alrighty then. I'm going to take these spatulas out. And a hop, skip, and a jump, and we'll be done. Oh, where'd my molds go? Oh, where'd they go? Oh, they're over here. Dang it. Okay, let's bring you guys in closer. And bring these over here. Let me move Judy. We're going to start with a little bit of pink. Just a little bit. And just a little bit. And then we're going to go to our blue. And yes, this does swirl into a nice purple. So we've got the purple and the blue tones together. Well, and the pink. If you watch the video, you'll understand why. This is such a beautiful song. And a lot of people don't, they don't realize that they actually know who Queensrych is until they hear this song, because this was one of the most popular songs in all of the 90s. This particular song, Silent Lucidity by Queensrych. People will go, who is Queensrych? Then you'll play them this song and they'll be like, oh shoot, I need a little bit of that for the top. Oh no, I don't. What am I doing? Duh. Who knows what I'm doing? I don't know what I'm doing. But y'all knew that, didn't ya? Alright, a little bit more of the the pink. Purple. Yeah, I know my colors. There we go. Yeah, this is an awesome song. I highly recommend listening to it. The #1 hit. I think it was a #1 hit. I'm pretty sure it was a #1 on Billboard. Okay, let me bang this. Actually, I'm going to bang the molds. And even though I am going to be putting glitter on the top of it, I am still going to swirl it. Nice and liquidy. Okay. Oh, let me turn my fan off for this one. See how quick that was? That was super quick, you guys. I know you guys are going, what the heck? That's the quickest you've ever done a soap in your whole YouTube channel, Sulin. And it really is. And there is, Amanda kind of glitter on here. But it's the stars in the sky. I mean, I want them to be able to see the design underneath, but... Okay, oh my gosh, this smells so good, you guys. Well, not with the alcohol, it doesn't. Okay, we're going to let it sit for 18 to 24 hours, and yeah, then we'll cut this guy. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Back to cut Silent Lucidity, and Loli's here with me, so she can take a look at it. Since this is her baby, let's see what we got with this first bar. At this side. And that side. Oh, I don't see anything that turned purple, Loli. Well, I guess in the crevices there, but look at all that glitter on the inside. I know the glitter isn't showing up on camera, but you guys saw I put glitter in the colors. I put like a heaping teaspoon of glitter in each.
What is wrong with you?
Well, it's Silent Lucidity, and I told them that I was going to post the video rather than just the song, so they can see why you chose.
There's not too much glitter in it.
No, there's not, but there's enough.
Not like when we first started making soap.
No, not like when the first loaf we made. The first loaf we had different colors too. We had a deeper blue than this, because that blue is deeper.
We also used about half of a container of glitter.
We did, didn't we? That was ridiculous.
People complained.
That was, yeah, my son said it was scratchy, that the glitter was scratchy. We did that with Purple Rain, too, the first time we made Purple Rain. That the glitter was, because we
Chris said it was, too.
Yeah, we put glitter in Purple Rain, because, well, Prince being the purple one.
I like how it turned out.
Yeah, I do. I like it, too. I like it, too. It was just
even
a simple...
Even though, the colors...
Look, there's a heart.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, even though the colors aren't the same.
No, I mean, they're kind of the same.
I should have made a purple. No, you don't think so?
No.
No. Or I could have just put the two together to make a purple.
Or maybe like a purple mica swirl on the top.
Oh, we could have done that. I didn't even think about it.
Maybe for the next one.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because I made 2 loaves of this. And y'all know I changed the way that it smelled. At least I think I told them I changed the way it smelled. I think so. I can't remember.
It's not too different.
It's been a few days. The only thing that's been added to it is that little bit of lavender. But the chamomile, I can definitely smell the chamomile. I'm not sure if I've decided if the lavender covers up the mint, because I can smell the rosemary. Hold on, let me show them the other side. Sorry, guys. But we have that lavender mint fragrance oil. I guess I could have used that. But I wanted the extra chamomile because that was what was missing, was the chamomile.
So what's the problem with it?
What do you mean? What's the problem with it?
I don't understand.
Well, because
It smells like
because
rosemary to me.
yeah, I smell the rosemary for sure.
I
We
smell
could
the
smell
lavender too, though.
right. We could smell the rosemary in the original one, but in the original one, the custom blend had twice as much chamomile as it did rosemary mint, because rosemary and mint is a strong fragrance.
Right.
But I only bought an ounce of chamomile, not 2. So
Oh, right. So you
yeah,
had to
so I had
offset.
to
I gotcha.
I had to substitute. How many bars do we have? Oh shoot, I just took that off of there. I'm not sure how many times I did that to you guys. Took that off of there. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Get distracted.
Look at that. Do you want me to keep that so you can keep it?
No.
Okay. Sample bars. There we go. Oh, I love the little hearts that we're getting in this.
I like that swirl on
Yeah.
that last piece.
Yeah, I do. I like it. And like I said, I know you guys can't see the glitter, but the glitter is in there. And I put it, see, you can tell I put it both in the blue and the pink. Because for some reason I thought we just put it in the blue the first time. But yeah, I'm going to put the video for them so they can see why the colors are, why we chose them.
Oh, the video's amazing.
Yes. Well, the song is
Definitely
amazing.
10 out of 10 recommend.
Yes, it is definitely a great song. And I told them that even if you don't know who Queensrych is, if you listen to music anytime in the 90s, you know this song.
Oh, yeah.
Because
it
it
was
was,
a popular power band.
yeah, it was. I think it was a number 1.
I think you might be right.
Yeah, I think it was
I
a
don't
number.
know.
I think it was.
I don't even think I was born yet.
You were born the year this album came out. It came out in 1990.
Oh, look at that.
Yep. Just like Groove is in the Heart, which I have to make again, but I'm not making it on camera for you guys. Whoop! So I made that with Amanda. Okay, guys, I'm not going to cut this whole loaf with you guys. Why bore you with the details, but I'll show you this last piece. Oh, I like this one. All right, guys, thanks for sticking with us. Bye-bye.